Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, that's my roofing material, and I've been putting it off because we've had such bad weather here in the UK. Today's been the first day it's actually not rained, so I can actually get some digging done. As you can see, it's nicely, it's about 1.5 foot deep. This is going to be some double stairs here in front here. We look round. I'm digging the foundations out. I'm going to rest my pallets on these, one in that corner, into that corner. Then it's going to be 2 pallets high. Then it's going to join up with this across here, and then it's going to come straight across. But yeah, there's more digging out than I actually thought. I've got to dig into this corner and then turn around. I'll just dig the stairs out there, double stairs, and I'm going to join it up to this side here, so then I can take this glass out and I get a nice big area. Then I can have potting up tables and plenty of storage, and a big window in here looking out where the sun comes. So yeah, this is just finishing off doing the footings for my greenhouse and shed. But yeah, get a bit of version from back here. It's going to double, if not triple, the size that I've got at the moment, which along with the allotment that I'm going to pick my key up for on Sunday, it's going to look a lot better. So yeah, just a quick look around the garden. This is my perennial flower bed. I've grown everything in this bed from seed, or I've divided plants. Got pampas grass in the corner, 4 climbers, sorry, plus a climbing rose. And as you can see, I've got delphiniums in here, I've got peonies, foxgloves, and it all starts to look really well. This is going to really attract the wildlife. But yeah, that's the soil I dug out. Eventually my greenhouse is going to be up to that end there, so it's going to be a big old thing. So yeah, if you want any questions, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, folks, from a rainy England.